Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dema Singgita Putra and I'm from IPF batch 2019. Today, I will represent about my research about the impacts of social media on online marketing. The table of contents. First, we will discuss about the introduction itself. The second, we'll discuss about research method. Next, we will discuss about the result. And the last, we will discuss about the conclusion. Introduction. In this era, where everything is digital, social media is not a common thing to hear. Social media refers to the means of interactions among people in which they create, share, exchange information and ideas in virtual communities and networks. Social media is used by billions of people around the world and has fast become one of the defining technologies of our time. Facebook, for example, reported having 2.38 billion monthly active users and 1.56 billion daily active users as of March 31 March 2019. Social media can be thought as a collection of software-based digital technologies, usually presented as apps and websites that provide users with digital environments in which they can send and receive digital content or information over some type of online social network. In this sense, we can think of social media as the major platforms and their features, such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Social media applications have become part of the standard communication selection for many companies, based on Kaplan 2012. Gap in research question. So there is a lot of studies about the impacts of social media on online marketing because many studies only focus on business and sales product perspective, not on the social media perspective. So in this study, we will be explain more about the impacts of social media on online marketing. This study aims to reveal how much important social media on online marketing. Specifically, the researcher is interested in the following two questions that guide our study. First, what are the significance of social media on online marketing? And the second is it suitable to use social media for online marketing nowadays? So the next is will this about literature review. Social media depends on mobile and web-based technologies to create highly interactive platforms through which individuals and communities share, co-create, discuss, and modify user-generated content. It introduces substantial and pervasive change in communication between organizations, communities, and individuals, based on Kaplan and Henlin 2012. Social media has become a platform for individuals to communicate with not just one, but allows for mass or interpersonal communication channels such as print, television, or radio. Social media is a quick and easy way to transport information, as in the case of public health emergencies. Based on Merchant, Elmer, and Lurie, 2011. Social media marketing aims to the increased website traffic or consideration through social media, based on Tratner and Kape 2013. So social media marketing programs normally put effort into creating content that will attract attention from users, which they will share it to their social network. Any statement consumers share via the internet, for example, websites, social networks, instant message, and news feeds are referred as the resulting electronic word of mouth, on which they share about an incidents, service experience, product use, preference brand, or favorite company, based on the Katzman and Kanhoto 2013. Social media marketing is a phenomenon that has drawn a lot of attention to both companies and individuals interacting with the networking landscape. However, when it comes to giving a clear definition of what social media really is, the understanding of the term is minimal. Managers and academic researchers seem to differ on how social media differ from interchangeable related concept Web 2.0 and user-generated content based on Kaplan and Heinlein 2010. So research method, this research use a quantitative method. It describes the impacts of social media on online marketing. It aims to see the significance of social media on online marketing of a business, and is it suitable to use social media for online marketing nowadays. This research involved 20 participants with various criteria such as age, gender, and job. A questionnaire was distributed to collect the data in the study. It consists of 10 items question, which is divided into 5 questions that use yes or no question, and 5 questions that use a 5-point Likert scale, where A strongly agrees, B agrees, C is quite agree, D is disagree, and E is strongly disagrees. So for the questionnaire, I will use a Google Form as the platform. So I will, before I share my Google Form link, I will chat the participants itself or the respondent itself, so they will not disrupt by the time. So the result, table 1, the significance of social media on online marketing. From table 1 above, it is shown that 20 out of 20 respondents already know about the social media. The second is, do you have a social media account? In this response, 20 respondents or 100% already have a social media account. It means that no one just answer no. And then in the question 3, it is shown that 20 out of 20 respondents or 100 said yes, that social media is the right place to promote merchandise nowadays, and no one that picked answer no. Next, it is shown that 20 out of 20 respondents have ever or often see marketings on social media. And the last, it is shown that 20 out of 20 or 100% think that social media is useful for promoting certain sales product. In the table 2, for is it suitable to use social media for online marketing nowadays? The following will explain the result of is it suitable to use social media for online marketing nowadays. For the answer choice, there are 5 categories. First is strongly agrees with a score of 5. The second is agree with a score of 4. And next is quite agree with a score of 3. And next is disagree with a score of 2. And the last is strongly disagree with a score of 1. In this research, show that for the factor 6, promoting sales on social media is easy, cheap, and not complicated. 10% or 5 or 50% choose strongly agree. Then 9% or 45% choose agree. Then 1% or 5% choose disagree, and no one choose quite agree and strongly disagree. For factor 7, social media has a huge impact on selling goods in a business. There are 14% or 70% of respondents that choose strongly agree. Then agree, there are 6% or 30%, and no one choose quite agree, disagree, and strongly disagree. For the factor 8, using social media can reduce operational cost in terms of marketing. Who choose strongly agree, there were 10% or 50%. Then agree, there are 7% or 35%. Then quite agree, there are 2%. And then disagree, there are 1%, and no one just strongly disagree. And next, for the factor 9, or social media is the right tool to be able to develop a business. There are 11% or 55% choose strongly agree. Then there are 7% or 35% choose agree. Then quite agree 2%, and no one choose disagree and strongly disagree. For factor 10, are suggesting that people who want to start a business promote their sales on social media. 11% or 55% choose strongly agree. Then agree, there were 9% or nine respondent or 55%. Then quite agree, there are no one choose quite agree, disagree, and strongly disagree. So in this conclusion, in this research, it can be seen that social media is the right place for online marketing today. There are many factors that influence, ranging from cheap, easy, and not complicated social media promotions. Social media can reduce operational costs in terms of marketing, and social media can help grow your business. The study also explained the significance of social media on online marketing. That is, social media is useful for promoting certain sales products, and social media is an appropriate means of promoting merchandise in the present. Based on the result of this study, online business people are asked to start using social media as means to support the sale of their goods, because social media is very popular today and almost all young people use social media. Of course, this could be the right time to use social media and attract the attention of these young people so that they are interested in shopping at your online store or your online product. The limitation of in this study is the lack of the number of respondents and the data processing. So it is hoped that future researchers can increase the number of research objects, the number of samples, and the other variables in order to obtain more diverse and more valid research results. I think that's all from me. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.